Welcome to this exceptional 5-bedroom, 6-washroom detached home perfectly located in Mississauga's East Credit community near Bristol Road and Terry Fox Way. This detached home, boasting approximately 2,800 square feet of beautifully designed living space plus a fully finished separate entrance basement. This home checks every box for comfort, space, and style. Upstairs, you will find 5 spacious bedrooms, including 2 luxurious primary suites with their private ensuites and walk-in closets, plus a 5th bedroom that also has its own ensuite, perfect for extended family or guests. The main floor is thoughtfully laid out with separate family, dining, and living room, which can be used as a dedicated office. A gourmet open concept kitchen with high-end appliances and a bright breakfast area. To book your private viewing for this home, please call your favorite Mississauga realtor Pradeep Jasi at 416-629-3480. Or you can also visit my website at www.pradeepjasi.com.